What's up, guys? If you're sick and tired of cleaning grout in your showers, or you're just over those outdated tiles, this video is gonna blow your mind. So the next step in this process is going to be remove any loose flakes. All right, ready? Mixing poly. So we're gonna get into mixing the polyaspartic. We're gonna mix it just like we do epoxy. I'm gonna mix 3 quarts, that should be plenty. I'm hoping we don't need to use it all, but just remember the flakes do soak up some of that product. Our biggest thing when we apply it is we just wanna make sure it's super thin, rolled out really good before we start broadcasting. So I'm gonna dump in 2 quarts of part A, and then I'm gonna go to the 3 quart mark of part B, mix it up, use a secondary mixing bucket, scrape my sides really good, make sure this stuff's mixed really good, and then we'll take it inside and we'll go over applying it. All right, so we're gonna finish this out. This is, you know, we've been here, what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Probably been here 2 hours. So like I said in the beginning, once you get the prep done, I mean, they're pretty relatively quick coats. You're just waiting for dry times. But you can see how much more even the coverage is now. Looks beautiful. And so Trey's just making sure everything's hit, you know, make sure you throw up under windowsill, stuff like that. But the cool thing is you can do this same process right over like green board, shower board. We just would fiber tape the seams, and then we would run patch or paste with silica sand pigmented right over that. And so, which Trey, which would be a lot less work. So like if you can get a hold of like builders, or before they build the shower, if they're renovating, let them know, hey, it's easier if I just come in after you guys do the waterproof board and all that stuff. That's why we like filming these, because when you get those other projects, it's a lot easier to do. You already know the full process if you have to prep over tile. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up, get out of here, and then the last thing we got to do on this is we'll probably pull the tape again. We always like to retape, that way we know everything looks good. Might have to sand a few spots tomorrow, who knows. And then we're gonna put on another coat of poly. We don't have to flake into that. This is basically the finished look. Now we just need to seal it with the polyaspartic. And so that's gonna be tomorrow. And we'll get into all that when we get here tomorrow.